Today, we're going to walk through the steps to sign into your United Healthcare Medicare account on myUHC. If you need to check your benefits, review claims, or manage your account, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the myUHC website, that is myuhc.com. On the home page, you'll see a sign in button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen or in the middle. Now you'll be redirected to the login page. Here you need to enter your username and password. Here you'll need to enter your username and password in the provided fields. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your details, click the sign in button. You should now be logged in and redirected to your account dashboard. From here you can view your benefits, review claims, and access various accounts.